Hello, welcome to CloudWin. In this video, we are going to create an AWS Lightsail server with WordPress installed in it. So we can go to the video without any delay. I'm going to search Lightsail. Here it is. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to select Linux and choosing app plus OS. OS only will give just a server only. So I'm going to select app plus OS. Selecting WordPress. I'm going to select this one. It will be free for the first 3 months. Need to give a unique name here. WordPress test Lightsail. Let's try this. It is being created. Let's wait. Our Lightsail server is running now. Let's go to the server. We can connect to it with the help of SSH. LS. Okay, I'm closing this for now. Let's go to the networking and I'm going to assign a static IP for the same. Create and attach. Continue. You can see the security group rules here. Okay, I'm copying this. Let's try to access this from the browser. Yes, it's a WordPress site. To close this, let's point this to a custom domain. I'm heading to my Route 53. We'll be creating a new subdomain for the same. Light Sail. And I'm pointing this towards our Light Sail server. Create record. That has been created. Let's check the DNS now. Yes, the DNS has been propagated. Now let's try to call the site with the domain. Yes, it's accessible, but you can see that it is not secured since the SSL is not installed. Now we can install the SSL. I'm going to connect through SSH. Connect using SSH. The terminal has been opened. Expanding this. ls sudo /opt /bit/b insert tool. This will install the SSL. Let's give the domain here, Lightsail. Okay, I'm giving no. Continue. Yes. Yes. I'm giving my mail ID here so that we will be notified. Yes. Enter. Okay. SSL installation SSL installation is completed. Now let's try to access it. You can see it is secured now. Now let's try to access the WP admin. We need the password now. Again, we need to go to the terminal to get the password. Here is the password. We can cat. This is our password. Copy. Go back to the WP admin page. User will be user by default. Okay, we are able to log into the dashboard now. So that's all about Lightsail. We have created a Lightsail server with WordPress installed in it. We were able to access to the WP admin with the password. Also, we have installed SSL and pointed a custom domain to the server. Thank you for watching.